Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain about how to invest in gold. So nowadays, most of the people are not aware how we can invest in gold. We have a lot of ways we can invest in gold. So like we have ETF, we have digital gold, we have sovereign bond gold. Like that, lot of facilities are available in the market where we can invest in gold. So all those things I'm going to share through this video. So watch completely, then only you'll be getting a better idea on how we can do a better investment in gold. So all those things I'm going to share through this video. Okay, before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you'll be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. And in the same way, those who are interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Lipin EJ and you can see lot of videos related to market. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today I am going to explain about how to invest in gold. So let us see like what are the types of investment we have in gold. So we have five types of gold investment. So first is physical, we have digital, we have gold ETF, we have mutual fund and we have sovereign bond gold. So these are the five types of investment we can do in gold. So let us have a detailed discussion about physical investment. So the first type of investment is physical investment. Like by hearing itself, like what is physical investment. So we are going directly to a jewelry and we are buying gold from there. So that is a physical investment. And so nowadays, like most of the people are going for physical investment because they are not aware about the other platform where we can invest. So I want to tell you, like those who are investing in a jewelry or if you are investing in a gold coins, it is not the right way of gold investment. So this is a waste of time and waste of money as well as. Nowadays, like most of the people are going behind physical investment because the people are not aware like how we can do investment in gold. We have a lot of facilities where we can invest in gold, and like when you are going for a physical investment, we have to pay making charges, we have to pay GST. Like that, lot of problems are there. Like we have storage issues and we have security issues, we have purity issues. That is why like lot of issues are there. So most of the people are not aware about this. That is the reason people are going into jewel. So if you are doing investment in gold as a physical investment, it is not the right way. So think about like where we can invest and make maximum profit. So there you have to invest. So this is all about physical investment. Okay, the second type of gold investment is digital. Right now, like a lot of digital platforms are there. We can invest in gold. Like like Amazon, we have Paytm. Like that, we have a lot of wallet. Through that, we can invest in digital gold, and they are giving a good purity also. Like almost 99.5% they are giving purity also, and there is a no problem of storage and safety because everything is secured and safe. So this is the second way of investment in gold. And third one is gold ETF. Like gold ETF, we can buy in like we can open a trading account, and through that we can share, we can buy and sell the gold. So that is like one of the best way we can do an investment, and this will come to your account. Like you have to open a trading account. From the trading account, you can buy the gold and you can sell the gold anytime, and you'll be getting the entire value. Like what is the value of the gold, and there is no making charge, and there is no such another charges of like there is no storage issues, there is no purity issues also, because whatever the price of the money you can buy, and within a day it will be credited to your account. So this is like one of the best way, and you can open an account, like you can open a trading account in a Angel Broking or Alice Blue. You can contact me so that you can do your investment in gold through online. So this is very easy. Okay, I'll show you also how you can do an investment through online. Okay, for the gold ETF investment, you have to open any of the account. Like you can open account in Angel Broking or you can open account in Alice Blue. Like you have a lot of trading platform. So I am using Angel Broking application. Like those who are interested to open account in Angel Broking or Alice Blue, you can open the account. The link I have mentioned in the description. Okay, you can visit my description and you can open the account and you can start doing investment through online. So this is how you have to do the investment. Okay, like here you can see, just you can go to here, you can see there is a watch list and you can type so just you can type gold share. So once you type gold share, you can see there is a gold share. So just click on the gold share. So this will be added to your watch list. So once it is added to your watch list, you can start trading. Like you can just click on here and you can see there is a buy button and there is a sell button. Like when you are planning to buy, you can just click on buy button. So just you have to click on buy button. Here you can see. So you have to make it as detailed order. So how many quantity you are going to buy? So just like for example, if you have like how much money is there, like based on the value you can buy. Like for example, you can see like per this is like per lot, okay, like per share it will be like 4,731 is the current rate now. Like if you want to one share, this is the total cost, like how much you are going to buy. Based on the money you can decide also. Like if you have 10 almost like if you have 8,000 rupees, you can buy 2 gold. So you can just mention here 2 gold here, 2 gram, okay. Like that is how the value is like almost similar to the gram value. So if you are planning to buy 2 gold, you can mention here 2 shares, and the market price you can make it as market, and here you have to make it as delivery, because we are not going to buy in intraday or margin. So we are planning to invest for a long time. So that is the reason we have to select delivery option. So these are the options we have to select. Then once you select this option, you can just go here and you can submit. So once you submit, your order will be done. So this is an easy way you can invest in gold, and once you invest in gold, this will come to your portfolio, and like once the price is going to up, that time you can sell. So this is one of the best way you can invest in gold, and there is no like making charges, and there is no problem of securities and storage. So this will be stored in your trading account, and no one can log into your storing account, because there you will be having a user ID and password. Apart from that, you will be having a T-pin as well as you will be having a pin to login. So like there is same like your bank account, there is like a lot of securities and safety will be there, so that no one can log into your account. So this is the major thing, like where you can invest. And like those who are planning to invest in gold, you can contact me, you can open the account and you can start trading in you can use the online platform and you can start trading. So those who are interested, you can contact me. I have given the link in the description as well as. So this is the third way of investment. Okay, now let us have the fourth one. So fourth one is mutual fund. So right now, there is a gold based, like lot of mutual funds are there. You can invest in any of the mutual fund, and they will be giving you the returns like yearly basis. Like they will be giving some percentage of return. So this is the fourth way of investment. So like you can use your angel broking account also for any mutual fund investment. Like if you are planning to open a mutual fund account for gold investment, you can contact me. The link I have mentioned in the description. Okay, you can open like a trading account. Through that you can invest in gold ETF, and in the same way you can invest in mutual fund as well as. Okay, let us see the last type of gold investment. So the last one is sovereign gold bond. So as the name mentioned, this is a bond. Okay, so if you are doing investment in sovereign gold bond, there is a lock-in period, and there is advantage of there is a lot of advantage as well as. Like if you are doing an investment in sovereign gold bond, so this will be handled by the RBI. Like you are doing investment in RBI. So all your sovereign gold bond will be handled by RBI, and only thing is that there is a lock-in period. You will not be able to sell immediately. And the second advantage is that you will be getting 2.5% interest annually as well as. Like whatever investment you are doing in sovereign gold bond, for that you will be getting 2.5% interest. And only thing is that there is a lock-in period. So these are the major types of gold investment, and you can decide. Like I think like you got a better idea like which investment is good. Like those who are going for a physical investment, this is a foolish thing, the foolish way of investment. So like if you are going for a gold physical investment, like there is a making charge and there is a GST. Apart from that, there is a storage issues as well as, and there is a safety issues, and there is a purity issues. Like that lot of issues are there when you are doing a physical investment. So like those who are buying jewels, you have to think now. So before going to invest in jewels, so better you have to invest through online. You have a lot of facilities, like you can use ETF, and there is no additional charges, and there is no securities issues, and there is no safety issues, and there is no purity issues also. And whenever you want to sell, you can sell it there, and you will be getting the money immediately. And when you are buying a jewels from a jeweler, like if you are buying from one jewelry, and if you are going to the different jewelry, they won't give the exact price. So Okay, now this is the time you have to identify like where we are going to invest. So if you are doing a investment in a physical gold, so you have to identify like what are the storage issues, and you have say security issues, and you have safety issues. Like lot of issues are there, and when you are going to sell, like there is a making charge, and right now there is a lot of making charges. Apart from there is a GST, and like lot of issues are there when you are doing a physical investment. So you have to identify which investment is good, and where you can make a better profit. So this is the time you have to identify, and you have to do the investment according to that. So these are the major types of gold investment. So like everyone must to know like what are the types of investment and where we can make maximum profit. Like if you are using a trading account where all the things are very secured and safe. Like if you are doing online investment, like there is no storage issues, and there is no security issues, and there is no safety issues, and there is no GST, there is no making charges. Like lot of advantage you will be getting for that like making charges, and you can buy some extra gold as well as, and whenever you want you can sell the gold, and there is no purity issues, nothing will be there. And this is like the one of the best way we can do investment. Like those who are planning to do investment in online, you can contact me. The link I have mentioned in the description. Okay, like those who are planning to open a trading account, through that if you are planning to invest in gold, you can contact me. I have given Angel Broking as well as Alice Blue link in the description, so you can go to there and you can open the account and you can start investing in gold. Okay, in the same way, if anyone interested to learn more about market, you can join my Telegram as well as my WhatsApp group. Okay, I have created WhatsApp and Telegram group to help the beginners. You can see the link here. The same link I have given in the description. Like same you can see in the WhatsApp as well as. So both group are same. Okay, if you are planning to invest in gold, or if you are planning to invest in any of the market, you can join to this group, and daily basis I'll be updating like where we have to invest and what are the long term investment. So all those suggestions I'll be providing to this group. So the group link I have given in the description, you can join to this group. So both groups are absolutely free. So hope today's topic is clear, and if you have any clarification related to this topic, you can comment below this video. And in the same way, if anyone planning to open an account in Angel Broking or Alice Blue, you can contact me. The link I have mentioned in the description. So hope today's topic is clear, and if you have any clarification or any suggestions or any feedback, you can comment below this video. And if you are really satisfied with this topic, so kindly like my video, and the same way you can share this video to your friends who are interested in trading. Kindly subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching.